Deep in the heart of the forest of Valko, in the village of Shumani, lived a boy named Kurt Duko who had always dreamed of becoming a werewolf. He had heard that werewolves were strong and fierce, with the ability to transform into wolves at will. One day, Kurt decided that he was finally old enough and brave enough to become a werewolf. He set off on a journey to find out how he could make the transformation. After walking for hours through the forest of Valko, he finally stumbled upon a wise old werewolf who lived in a cave deep in the woods. Wolfram looked at Kurt and laughed.
You want to become a werewolf, do you?
He asked. Kurt nodded hungrily.
Yes, I do,
he said. Wolfram laughed again.
Well, it's not as easy as you might think. Becoming a werewolf takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work,
he said. Kurt was determined and begged the old werewolf to tell him what he needed to do. Wolfram smiled.
Very well,
he said.
I'll give you 10 steps to becoming a werewolf. Follow these steps carefully, and you might just succeed. Drink herb potion. These ingredients will turn anyone into a werewolf, so remember to keep them secret. Howl at the moon. Werewolves are famous for their howls, so practice your howling skills. Eat lots of protein. Werewolves have a particular need to feed, so eat protein when you are hungry. Run through the forest. Werewolves are fast runners, so make sure you get plenty of exercise. Get lots of rest. Werewolves need a lot of rest to keep their energy up, so make sure you get plenty of sleep. Drink lots of water. Werewolves need to stay hydrated, so make sure you drink plenty of water. Clean everything. Werewolves have a keen sense of smell, so brush your teeth, wash your body, and clean your house. Wear a wolf suit. Werewolves look a certain way, so be confident and wear one yourself. Find a pack. Werewolves are social creatures, so make sure you find a pack of your own to run with. Believe. The most important step of all is believing you are a werewolf. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus all of your energy on transforming.
Kurt thanked Wolfram for his advice and set off on his journey to becoming a werewolf. He followed the old werewolf's steps carefully, and before long, he was howling at the moon and running through the forest with his new pack. And he found a new step along the way.
Write stories. Like the moon that waxes and wanes, werewolves are creatures of tales and refrains. Their existence shrouded in mystery and lore. Their stories we must pass on forevermore. For the future werewolves yet to come, let us weave a tapestry of stories as one, that they may learn and carry on the legacy of these creatures, wild and free.